All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy Friday. Hopefully, you guys are all doing well. Just got this sell limit set here on NQ. One con is really all you need. Um, I just don't want to. If I'm gonna have losing streaks pop up, then I don't want to just blow the account as fast as possible. So that's the reason. Which I told you guys I was doing one contract until I was above the buffer. And yeah, man, I'm on a 4 trade losing streak, so need to get back. Need to get back in the swing of things here because clearly I'm offside with the market and some of the things I'm seeing. So yeah, I'm taking this trade. I like the here. You can't really see the SMT obviously here. I'm not showing the ES chart, but if I scroll quick to the ES chart, you can see how we put in a higher high here, and then NQ put in a lower high. We inverse this 5 minute bullish gap, and we already swept the previous weekly high. So I wanted to view this as the order block, the breaker, however you want to call it, and look to just trade off of that to the downside. We'll see if we get it. We're obviously in the macro right now, and I'm just looking to take it down to these lows, which would be kind of right in the middle between 8:30 open and true day open, which would also obviously fit in line with the TGIF mentality or philosophy, which is that we'll get a retracement on Friday for the week. So we'll see. Obviously, price could just keep pushing higher. We've been perma bullish. So, but yeah, all the reasons for the trade. I guess I'll write out the confluences. Confluences. What am I doing? Confluences. One, swept previous weekly high. Two, bearish SMT with ES. Three, OB slash breaker block entry. So I guess these are really the confluences for the trade. Oh, I missed one as well. Let me make this one 4. 3 is going to be 5 minute IFVG. So these are the 4 confluences for the trade. So previous weekly high swept, bearish SMT with ES, inverted this 5 minute bullish gap, taking an attempt off of this order block. That's it, guys. That's it. That's the wind up in the pitch. Just swinging at the pitches, man. That's it. That's it. But yeah, let me know if you guys got any questions. Ooh, nice reaction. See, we've been getting a lot of like really nice reactions initially, and then price just rebounds without really taking anything out, which has been really frustrating for these, very shallow sell-offs. We did have a pretty decent range overnight as well again, which has contributed to the choppier conditions during AM session. Turn that down a little bit. Looking over here at the other time frames, I think I might want to just remove risk, like right here in this next 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, I'm gonna take my risk off now. We've just been so bullish. It's like, who knows, man? If we get another seek and destroy condition, this retraces, takes this high out again. Like, I don't want to take a loss on it. And then partial as you wish, guys. As always. Holy guacamole. Right now we're running into this structure right here. Previous high from yesterday. So hopefully we don't bounce. Just took out this low. We took out 830 low, I believe. Oh no, we're about to hit it though. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and secure that for now. Might be able to look for a new entry. So I just made 1,000 on that. I closed it, seeing it bouncing off of this 830 low. Closed it like right here for about 52-ish points. I'm gonna send that in the Discord. How about that, guys? We didn't have to take a loss before taking a win. About time. It's about time. You know, it is about time. I wanted to get the ball in the hole. I just couldn't do it. All right, that's that. So we'll see. I'm gonna delete this all for now. You know, I just kind of want to watch price from this point, like from right now. But hey, no FOMO. No looking at this saying, "Oh my God, I'm leaving so much money on the table." That's naughty. Naughty, naughty. So, all right, guys. Well, let's watch for the next 15 minutes. See what we get. I'm gonna go get another cup of coffee quick and get a little refill action. All right. When I come back, we'll finish this hour out. See how it goes. Maybe look to form a bias going into the rest of the day. And then also see what do we want for the TGIF. We wanted under 18,000, right? So, you know, if we take out that sell side level right there, that's, you know, that would be a TGIF move completed, in my opinion, as far as I'm concerned for the day. So just something to keep in mind. All right, I'll be back in 2. You guys want anything? I'll put in your order. Hey girl, you make me want to write a song. Get you out of here and get you all alone. Had a melody in my head since you walked in here and knocked me dead. Yeah, girl, you make me want to write a song. And it goes like, ooh, what I wouldn't do. Wrap your name on my heart and you wrap my arms, baby, all around you. And it goes like, hey, girl, I'm going away. And it starts with a smile and it ends with an all night long slow kiss. Yeah, it goes like this. But hey, we had the right bias today. Got a little chunk of the move. Ain't nothing to be mad about. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to be mad about. NQ finally officially closed on the 1 hour. Finally officially closed. And we are very close to that sell side. Just for closure, I kind of want to see it taken out. And then we can hop off. But yeah, I mean, you know, TGIF is going to be complete after we take this. And, you know, I think there's an argument that could be made for other PD arrays maybe being a little bit less probable from this point. But if I had to continue trading, it would obviously not be till after lunch, but I would just see where we're at after lunch, because what we do with this low is really going to determine where the next draw is. On the 1 hour chart, this looks bearish as fuck. Like, on the way that these 1 hour candles are forming, I would be kind of surprised to see it sweep this and fly back up here, truthfully. Could it happen? It could definitely happen, right? This 1 hour it just swept it. If this 1 hour candle flips bullish and, like, you know, we're able to, like, reclaim the gap after lunch, then at that point, I believe the next draw becomes the high. But until then, I would assume that if we're going to get any other move today, it would just be a continued short based on the way that this looks right now. And, you know, who knows, man, that weekly, that TGIF, that 20 to 30% retracement, which is in here, it can retrace more than that. It can retrace 50% or more. You know, like you look at some of these candles, some of these weekly candles, they end up closing like this. Huge retracements, huge corrections. You know, that's over 50%. That's perfect TGIF. About 50%, about 50%. Right? So we'll see. But the way that the 1 hour chart looks, that looks very bearish. I would like to see that low continue to be displaced through based on just the way that this all looks. And, you know, maybe there's a move to be had off of like a retest of the breaker, et cetera, to go lower. But it's just not really something I'm too interested in trying to catch at this point. I would say mission was accomplished for today. So that's going to put a bow on it for me for the week, I'm thinking. That's it. So enjoy your weekend, guys. I'll see you guys on the live session Monday. Bright and early. Enjoy your guys' weekend. Have fun. Be safe. If you guys need anything, as always, reach out. And I will talk to you guys in the Discord, and I'll see you guys on the sessions next week. All right? Peace out, everybody.